All right, so guys, now we're going to create a block underneath here, a new container that displays all the locations that we've added, so that people can edit the existing locations. I'm going to try and do it so that the locations display in a table, and the table is editable, like with Ajax. Okay, so how do we do that? Let's begin. Let's go here, and we'll go to add location. And we're gonna say, here is my add dash location, handlebars, file. And say, okay, good, yada yada. Looks fine. Here it is again, without any changes. No, you don't need to give me that. What I would like to do is I would like this page to show all the locations that have been added already in a table. And I want those displayed locations to display all the info about the location, including the number of machines there, including the number of machines in that location. I want the following fields to be editable with Ajax. Location code, name, street, address, city, region, state, zip. Okay, and add an Ajax call to update location and add server-side route to handle the Ajax request. Wow, okay. Add this after the closing form tag. Okay. Yeah, I need aircon. Frickin' sweating.
We get warm. I need the air.
Alright, so we got this add location table going. Alright. Add location after the form. And update the server-side route to retrieve the locations with machine count and render add location page. Seems easy enough. You know, we can probably is doing the calculation, yeah, as machine count. So it's creating this count as a temporary variable. Okay, and we're modifying the app.get for add dash location. Oh, it's the app.post. We need the app.get. Add location. It should already know, right? Okay. Right, like that. Add this JavaScript to the add locations file to handle it. I don't want to put that right there. And add the... Okay. Hold on a second. Okay. First, let's put the JavaScript file in public/scripts and call it from the handlebars page. Is that okay? In separate files. Create a new file called location.js. Okay, copy project path. And then we go add location here. And then we're probably gonna do something like this. Or that. This goes here. Okay. Now go back to step 4 and tell me what we do for the rest of the implementation, starting at adding the server-side route for Ajax. Here's the rest of the implementation. Add the server-side route for Ajax. Update your app or index.js app.put. Here we go. Okay, app.put. I've never seen that sort of a route before. Maybe I have, right? Perhaps I have. I'm getting sleepy. Okay. Here's the app.put that goes into my app.js file. Put you right at the end because you're kind of a little bit different. Add the server-side route to fetch all the locations. App.get. I just passed it. think we've already done all this stuff. I think we're ready to test it. I think it's confused. It's confused. Let's restart you. Let's not use this browser. All right, let's add this location. Ooh. 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 Let's add some spacing. Add dash location. That looks good. Does that actually do anything? No. You know, but do we do a new container though? That's the whole question. Right, you know, if we did like a slash div, and then that, right? Now we have that. What does that look like? I'm curious. Yeah, a new div. It's a new div. That's fine. We can live with that. You know, maybe put a little break in there. Like that. Now we're looking good, man. Does that all look okay when we make it? Not great, but we'll add a responsive. We'll add some responsive stuff later. Okay. Let me prep this up with some data. LM004, Johns Hopkins, 123 Hospital Road. City is going to be Baltimore, or no, let's say Jupiter. Region Southeast Florida. Zip code 33458. Gosh, now I'm thinking like maybe I should make region a set of locations. Or maybe region should just be a drop down. It should be a it should be a drop down. If no locations added, it should be like an add or a drop down or add, something like that. Let me show you guys my screen again a little bit here. Okay, and now that's there. So that works. That's nice. I don't want it to go to a new page though. I'm gonna say, oh shoot, network error. Great, that works. Jeez. That's some damn network errors, man. Hold up. Well, anyway, I'm just gonna upload this video then, and then we'll make it pretty in the next one. So thanks for watching.